So with a house, I personally like a lot of windows because it just adds a lot of brightness and it makes it like, I don't know, more happy.
That's something that was really important to me, is just, finding a house that had that feeling when you walk in. Having a really open floor plan was one of the things on my list. Having little kids and teenagers, you could be doing any given thing in the house and all kind of just be hanging out together. When we first moved in, the house just felt kind of stark. I kind of did some woodwork in the house to warm it up a little bit. The shutters have given the home a really nice custom look. One of the things that I also like about the shutters is that I can block out a lot of the light. So when my little kids are taking a nap, their room is so nice and dark.
Plus with blinds, with the cords, it's kind of dangerous for like kids and it gets in the way, and with the shutters it's just kind of like an easy shut.
Another added bonus is just blocking out some of the heat. Living in Arizona, it gets pretty hot, and so it really does kind of help cool down the house, which is nice. It took me a little while to kind of decide that this is the route that I wanted to go, and I'm so happy that I did. Not only does it add value to the house, but visually it just looks so much better. That's one of the first things that people say when they walk in the house and they see them is, "Oh my gosh, I love your shutters," and I can direct them right where to go to get them and have them delivered right to your house. It's so easy to do.